lied like it's second nature.
Our backs are against the wall. I did what I had to do.
And you're proud of that?
Rachel, sometimes you have to cross a line to do the right thing.
Wow. Harvey has really rubbed off on you.
I didn't learn that from Harvey.
To rub off on someone. To be transferred to. If a feeling, quality, or habit rubs off on you, you start to have it because you were with another person who has it on. Examples.
Repeat after me. Red Rover, Red Rover, Red Rover.
Red Rover, Red Rover, Red Rover.
Oh, I am sorry. Sometimes I feel like my accent gets a little gribbly, and it's gonna rub off on Fulgencio Joseph. Well, you shouldn't blame yourself if that's what you just said.
I mean, come on.
Oh, I don't think I should walk anymore. You know, all I had for breakfast was oatmeal, yogurt, coffee, orange juice, and toast.
You know what? I guess this place just hasn't rubbed off on you the way that I hoped it would. I'm still going?
Listen to me, all right, you little brat. You just need to be quiet because I need my friend to focus on me right now.
What are you doing, Cece? You know how much this means to me. Don't let your dysfunction rub off on her.
I'm gonna be a terrible mother.
No.
A terrible mother. Shh. I'm gonna be just like my mother.
Me, great mom.
Wow. Harvey has really rubbed off on you.
Feel like my accent gets a little gribbly, and it's gonna rub off on Fulgencio Joseph.
Don't let your dysfunction rub off